This is episode 2 of Rico's Road to Financial Enlightenment. On this episode, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my portfolio, show you guys how my account's looking, give you guys an idea of what I've been doing. I got $51,000 in my account through this month, and you can see how much money I made this month. Like, it's right here, $16,000 or $15,000. On Friday, I made $5,000. 12 option plays. You can see the total returns that they have over here on the right. GameStop, I'm down $1,600. Nvidia, I'm up $6,700. Amazon, I'm down $203. Micron, I'm up $1,816. Nvidia, I'm up $3,405. Tesla, I'm down $478. Apple, I'm up $1,348. Disney, I'm down $382. Palantir, I'm up $551. Tesla, I'm down $5. And Nvidia, I'm up $1,187. Just to give you a better understanding of the stock market in general, there's two types of investors in the stock market. There's a fundamental investor and there's a technical investor. Fundamental investor is going to use news, what's going on in the world. That is going to dictate his trades. The technical trader is only going to look at the charts. He's not going to take heed to any of the news. He's only going to pay attention to the chart. However, when I trade, I like to dabble in both of those areas. I like to use a little bit of the fundamental as well as using some of the technical analysis. Since I've been doing it that way, I feel like I've been really killing my trades. Nvidia just went through this 10-to-1 stock split. Before they went into the 10-to-1 stock split, I moved a lot of the money that I had over into Nvidia. Right now, I have 56 shares, 3 different expiration dates. Between those 3 different expiration dates, I have a total of 52 call options, 20 call options right here, 30 call options right here, and 2 call options right here. I just pretty much want to give you an understanding that the more contracts that you're buying for your call options, because you can buy more than just one call option. When you multiply your call options and the amount that you're purchasing, it intensifies the gains that you can potentially make. It also is going to intensify the losses that you can make as well. I don't want to have you thinking that you're not going to be able to feel the bigger losses, but I mean, that's the only way that you're going to be able to make the bigger money, is taking the bigger risk. I mean, there's no other way to get through that threshold. And I just started figuring that out like 2-3 months ago, going bigger on the things that I believe in and sizing into them. As I did with the Nvidia, I got 3 different set of option plays. This option play that I first got in, which expires on 8/16, currently up $6,700 on that option play. I really want Nvidia to go to 140 by the time this expires in 2 months, but I don't know if it's gonna go to 140 without a really big pullback, so it can be able to go up that high, because stocks don't just run straight up. They have to have a pullback in order to have basically the power, if you want to think of it as a spring or a trampoline, like the bounce, to shoot up to these new levels and break through these levels that they already have set. Because Nvidia hasn't set any levels since the stock split. It's just been continuously running. No, it hasn't been running straight up, and there has been a little bit of pullback, but there hasn't been a significant pullback yet. And I'm waiting on the significant pullback, because when the significant pullback happens, that's when I really plan to dive in it with my belief on these profits that I'm making on these other option plays. That's when I'm trying to sell and get ready to reposition myself in other stocks. The way that you can easily find and understand how to pick a stock is getting on Yahoo Finance and looking at the financials of the businesses that you're even gonna think about investing. That's where the fundamental analysis comes in. When you look at this company and you see their balance sheet and you see that they're profitable, you see their revenue, you see their cash flow, you see how much liabilities they have, how much debt they may have accumulated and everything like that, then you can make a decision if you should even be traded on this stock from the get-go. Then once you got that understanding, that's when you go to the charts, and that's when you figure out your entry, and that's when you see, where do I get into this play? When do I buy this play actually? When do I know to sell this play if it's not going in my way? Not just holding it and pray that it's gonna go my way in due time or anything like that. I mean, my formula, I like to buy long outdated calls. I'm trying to build this NVIDIA call option down here. I want to at least have 10 contracts. This one's dated to 2026. When I get more contracts, the more the price is gonna move. My return is gonna multiply. If I have 10 contracts instead of this 2 and I have 1,187, if I added 10 more contracts, then I would have $10,000 right now. I would have 12 contracts and that would say $10,000. Just like up here with this NVIDIA contract, I'm up $6,000. That's because of how many contracts I'm in and where I position myself in when I bought those contracts. I know I'm just rambling. I know I'm all over the place. I just wanted to come in here and give you guys a look at what I'm doing and an understanding that I know what I got going on. I don't know everything, but I'm learning, and I'm making leaps and bounds, man. And I'm gonna continue to strive to continue to do the things I need to do to get better in this game, man. It's an easy game that we all can continue to get better in if we take the time to read and study up on it. I just want to make my channel about helping show you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can put them down in the comments and let me know. And like that, I can try to and give me a better lane that I can stay in and not be so jumbled and all over the place. Thank you guys again for tuning in for the second episode. I'll see you guys soon.